Hello, and welcome to Simple Daily English Conversations. In today's lesson, we'll practice easy and useful English phrases that you can use every day. This is perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills in a fun and simple way. We'll go through short, clear conversations that you can repeat and practice along with us. So, get ready to listen carefully, speak confidently, and start using these phrases in real life. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Sarah. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thanks. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I did. I went to bed early, so I feel fresh this morning. And you? I slept okay. I stayed up a little late watching a movie. Oh, what movie did you watch? I watched a comedy. It was very funny, and it made me laugh a lot. That sounds nice. I like comedies too. They always make me feel happy. Yes, laughter is good for the heart. So, do you have any plans for today? Yes, I'm going to the park later to take a walk. I want to enjoy the fresh air. That's a great idea. Walking in the park is relaxing. Yes, it helps me feel calm and think clearly. Maybe I will join you. What time are you going? Let's meet at 10 a.m. near the park entrance. Perfect. I'll see you there. Hello, Alex. I didn't expect to see you here at the grocery store.
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I'm here to buy some vegetables and fruit. What about you?
I'm buying ingredients to make dinner tonight.
Oh, what are you going to cook?
I'm going to make vegetable soup and a small salad.
That sounds healthy. What do you need for your soup?
I need carrots, potatoes, onions, and tomatoes.
I see. Are you also buying bread?
Yes, I'm going to get some fresh bread from the bakery section.
Good idea. I also need some bread for breakfast tomorrow.
Do you want to go to the bakery together?
Sure. But first, I need to get some apples and bananas.
Okay, the fruit section is over there. Let's go.
These apples look nice. I think I'll take 6 of them.
Good choice. I'll take 4 bananas and a few oranges. Part 3. At the cafe. Sarah. Hi, Alex. I'm glad we could meet today. This cafe looks nice. Yes, I like it. It's quiet and the coffee here is really good. Great. Let's find a table near the window. Good idea. I like to sit where there's natural light. Same here. Okay, here's the menu. What are you going to order? I think I'll have a cappuccino. What about you? I want something cold, maybe an iced coffee. Oh, and I think I'll get a slice of cake, too. Cake in the morning? Yes, sometimes you have to enjoy life. True. I might join you and get a piece of chocolate cake. Perfect. Let's call the waiter. Excuse me. Could we order, please? Of course. What would you like? I'll have a cappuccino and a slice of chocolate cake. And I'll have an iced coffee and a slice of lemon cake, please. Sure. I'll bring them in a few minutes. Thank you. So, Sarah, how was your walk in the park this morning? It was wonderful. The weather was perfect, and I saw some beautiful flowers. That sounds nice. I really think walking in nature is good for health. Yes, it makes me feel calm and happy. Same here. Oh, here's our coffee and cake. This looks delicious. Let's enjoy. Part 4. Encouragement and practice tips. That coffee and cake were so good. I feel happy and relaxed now.
Me too. And I think having conversations like this is one of the best ways to improve English.
Yes, because it's natural and fun. When we talk about real life, we use words and phrases that are useful every day.
Exactly. And you don't need to be perfect when you speak. Even if you make mistakes, That's part of learning. I always tell my students, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new. That's a good point. Also, listening to conversations, like in this podcast, helps with pronunciation and understanding different expressions. And the more you listen, the more familiar English will feel. You start to recognize words and understand them without translating in your head. Right. That's when English starts to feel more natural. So, here's a small challenge for our listeners. Try to listen to this episode again and repeat some of the sentences we said.
Yes, that's called shadowing. You listen, and at the same time, you copy the words, the sound, and even the rhythm of the sentence.
And if you do this for just 10 minutes every day, you'll see big improvements in a few weeks.
Also, don't forget to write new words in a notebook. When you write them and then use them in your own sentences, you remember them better.
Exactly. Learning English is like building a house. You add a few bricks every day, and soon you have something strong and beautiful.
I love that example. And remember, the goal is not just to learn English, but to enjoy learning English.
Yes, because when you enjoy it, you will keep going.
All right, that's all for today's episode of Simple Daily English Conversations. Thank you for listening, and we hope you practice these phrases today.
We'll be back with more conversations to help you improve your listening and speaking. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.